Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, I haven't posted in forever. Today we're putting 3-piece wheels on the TSX. We got some Webb's Craze wheels. They're staggered. I'll show you guys the car right now. Right there. So fitment should be pretty good. Waiting for my sister to bring down my car keys because I left them upstairs. And yeah, I'm gonna have her record for me. Dogs is out. I got my toes out because I just want to get this done and over with. But because you guys, when I'm putting the wheels on the car. Hey, and I also got some all clear tail lights that I'm gonna throw on also. And I got to get a side skirt.
So I'm guessing you're editing that part out.
Oh, you already started?
Yeah. Sorry.
I'm not gonna lie, at this point, this is when I realized that the freaking lug nut was stripped so badly, I couldn't even get it off.
I was about to.
What?
Don't stop recording.
Okay, you can stop. So I didn't even record after that because with the lug nut stripping, that blew me. And then with the front fitment having a gap between my fender and the rim, that blew me. So, and these are not the usual size tire I go with. These came with 215 40s, 18s. I run 215 35s. I know people call me crazy for that, but that's what I run, and that's what was my last setup. And my gap was way smaller than that. Like, my fender was like this close to my the lip of my rim. So I guess I gotta get some smaller springs or something. I'm already maxed out on the coilover. So yeah, definitely a smaller spring that I'm gonna order. But that is it for this video. I will be trying to post more as time goes by, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the gang. Catch you on the next vid.